Hey there, today at Bennick Auto Sales we have a 2019 Ford Escape SEL. Very nice vehicle, loaded with options, nice alloy rims, good tires, lots and lots of tread left on them. It does have the sunroof, roof rack ready, keyless entry, bottoms of the doors, rockers, everything looks mint. Power heated seats, navigation, 41,761 kilometers, so really nice mileage on it. Beautiful vehicle. Again, everything's very nice on this one. No issues at all. There's the SEL. It does have the rear view camera. Also has, I believe it's the lane departure system. Lots of room in the back. Does have a full spare tire. Has the wiring for the trailer hitch. Power lift gate, obviously. Again, everything's excellent on this vehicle. No issues at all. And it does have the original books. So, if you're looking for a really nice low kilometer vehicle, this might be for you. You can always give us a call. The number is 519-507-1471. And this is Noah for Bennick Auto Sales. Have yourselves a great day.